Hey there! Smoothies can be refreshing, healthy, and a good breakfast option for the fast-moving lives. In today's video, let me show you 2 types of banana smoothie. Do write to me to know other types as well. Like if you liked the video, and subscribe to join me in this flavorful journey. Start by taking about 3 tablespoons of instant oats, grind into powder. Similarly, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, ground into powder. Dry ingredients can be powdered together. Here comes our main ingredient, the banana. Cold milk as much required. You can also add yogurt. Few drops of vanilla essence. Finally, honey if you like it. Blend it smooth to get our regular banana smoothie. Wait till the end of the video to see how it turned into. For the second type, again we take ground oats and flax seeds, our banana, cocoa powder, cold milk, honey. Blend it smooth to get the choco banana smoothie. Now I have my glasses ready. Pour the healthy nutritious drink. Garnish with sliced almonds. Click and enjoy. Let's look at the list of ingredients. Subscribe and leave your comments in the section below.